What does it mean when you can control your dreams? Have you ever wondered what it means to be in control of your dreams? It's a fascinating topic that has captured the imagination of many, and it's more than just a fantasy. When you can control your dreams, you're experiencing something called lucid dreaming. This is a state where you're aware that you're dreaming while still asleep. During a lucid dream, you might realize that the world around you isn't real, and this awareness can give you the power to influence the dream. Lucid dreaming typically happens during the REM, rapid eye movement, phase of sleep, which is when brain activity is similar to being awake. This phase usually starts about 90 minutes after you fall asleep and can recur several times throughout the night. One of the key aspects of lucid dreaming is the ability to direct the content of the dream. This means you can change the narrative, control your actions, and even manipulate the environment around you. For example, if you're having a nightmare, you can turn it into a pleasant experience by changing the scenario or your reactions within the dream. To achieve this level of control, people often use specific techniques. One popular method is called Mnemonic Induction of Lucid Dreams, MILD, developed by Dr. Stephen LaBerge. This involves setting an intention to remember that you're dreaming before you fall asleep. You repeat a phrase like, "I will be aware that I'm dreaming," as you drift off to sleep, which can help you become more aware during your dreams. Another technique is the reality check, where you perform simple actions during the day to see if you're dreaming. For instance, you might try to pass your hand through a solid object or reread a line of text to see if it changes. If you do this regularly, it can become a habit that carries over into your dreams, helping you realize when you're dreaming. The benefits of lucid dreaming are quite interesting. It can be therapeutic, especially for people who suffer from recurring nightmares or PTSD. By becoming lucid during a nightmare, you can take control and change the scenario, reducing the stress and anxiety associated with these dreams. It can also be used in exposure therapy, where you gradually confront your fears in a controlled dream environment. In summary, controlling your dreams through lucid dreaming is a unique and powerful experience. It allows you to explore your inner world with awareness, change the course of your dreams, and even find therapeutic benefits. Whether you're looking to overcome nightmares or simply enjoy a new level of creativity in your sleep, lucid dreaming is definitely worth exploring.